Hello everyone, I am Selva Ganesh. I am from Mechatronics from Kongu Engineering College. In this video, we are going to see about one problem in engineering mechanics. A particle moves along a straight line with a starting velocity Vo. If the retarding force on a particle is k times the distance traveled by a particle before coming to rest. In this, a particle moving in a straight line, the motion we can use kinetic energy. The retarding force we can use spring energy. So comparing this to 1 by 2 mv square kinetic energy formula is equal to 1 by 2 kx square spring energy formula. In that we keeps v is equal to root of k by m into x square. V is equal to x root of k by m. X is equal to root of k by m into v. In that in the question, particle before starting coming to rest, so the mass is 1. X is equal to v divided by r root of k. Thank you.